How do I install and launch the SPARKvue app on a Chromebook? Begin by going to the Apps menu and opening the Chrome Web Store. Once that's open, search for the SPARKvue app, SPARKvue, and you should find SPARKvue by Pasco Scientific. Go ahead and install this free app. And SPARKvue will be downloaded and added to the Apps menu. And once it's installed, you can close the App Store and launch SPARKvue from the Apps menu. Now, the first time you launch it after installation, it will download some resources from the web. This is only a one-time install, though. You only need to do this upon first launch.